Pantry is finished. All cleaned out. Floor's been washed and empty. And that's it. What you see in the kitchen's it. We need that box for in the morning. Everything is gone from the laundry room, except for the dirty bucket. And bathroom is done. So everything's done, baby. Everything's done. Upstairs is finished and vacuumed. This is what's left. The mattress. Nothing here. This stuff all goes in Rob's truck, pickup truck in the morning with that one box from the kitchen. The table goes in the morning too. Everything else in the house is gone. And this, the bedroom. Everything's out. Just, we gotta sleep, right? So we have to leave that. And the clock's going in the back of the truck. This is going in the truck. Nothing upstairs, nothing downstairs, nothing in the backyard. All these are going in a pickup. It's all the garden plants. And here's the truck.